Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Again, we are going to unbox and review another Parkside machine, which is Parkside Rotor POF 1200D3 with rated power input 1200 watts, no load speed 11,000 to 30,000 RPM, rotating deep 55 millimeters, holder tools 6 and 8 millimeters. Again, this is very comfortable, guys, because it has 4 meters wire and designed from Germany, and of course 3 years guarantee by Lidl. So it has accessories, machine accessories, and of course this 6 guys here's rotor beats inclusive for €34, I guess. My husband bought this one, so I can't wait to unbox this. So let's open up here. So we have vacuum adapter. These are the accessories inside here. 6 rotor beats, and this guy here's parallel guide, and the two railings for the parallel guide, and the rotor machine. So guys, we are going to insert these two railings here inside the parallel guide, so we can insert this in the machine later. So this lever here is to adjust the parallel guide to uh, which measurement you are going uh, to do it. So we are going to here is the measurement. It has inches and millimeters. So inside there are these are the stock accessories for the rotor machine. So it has a reducer for this vacuum adapter, some nuts here, allen and screws, and this insert screw, and the rotor bead. So now we are going to take up now the rotor machine. So again, guys, it has speed from 1 to 7, and a regulator for deep precise measurement, so you can adjust this here, and this is the adjusting screw, so you can adjust this, and so like this insert, and you have to put this up and unlock, and this here you can turn in, turn out. So it has number here, and it has also number here, so you can adjust that one. And this lever here is what we call deep heavy turn. You can manage to turn from 5 to 25 millimeters. So, and we have here the button. You see the button here, this guy, you cannot use this one, you cannot press this one unless you are going to use this inside button here, so you have to do it both, so it will work like this. So this is two. So, and we have here the releasing lever which you can so release so up down, up, down. So this is here where the lock mechanism, where you can insert the bits here. So you see this, guys. So I'm going to insert now the, so I'm going to use this guy here. Some bits have indication here to which you are going to insert. So now we are going to adjust now this here. So here, insert and lock. So, so guys, so it's already done. So this is how it look like now. So this time we are going to insert the vacuum adapter. So this is how you do it. So this is the screw. As you can see, I have here my little drill machine. So so this is how it looked like, the vacuum adapter. Now we are going to insert the parallel guide this time. So this is how you are going to insert. No, oh no, the other side. So this here. So easy as that, guys. So we have to lock these two screws here, adjusting screws. So this is how it look like. No, I think it's other 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 side. This is a wrong way. So this here. All right. So this is the right way. You see. So this is the right way now. So this is how it look like, guys. So everything's inside, and this nuts here, but I guess this is so unnecessary. And also this vacuum adapter is also, it's up to you if you are going to use or not, because this is only optional for me. If you don't have vacuum machine, then yeah, you don't have to install it. So I guess, guys, this is all about. I cannot test this one because we don't have wood here, and we have only residential apartment, so I cannot test this one. And I hope you enjoy watching. I hope you it is very helpful for you to understand the rotor machine. And first things first, be safety, okay? And until next time, see you another time, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.